Hey guys, it's H here again. Oh, fuck off. So pretty much, we are sat on the train at the moment, going to Portsmouth to climb a construction site. I apologise, I look like my fucking state at the moment. We were out yesterday climbing as well, doing a bit of roof-topping, but we are... The autofocus is going max, we're sat on a train, Jesus Christ. Anyway, yeah, we are on a train to Portsmouth at the moment to climb a construction site. Don't seem to be possible. So pretty much we are on our way down there to climb it. Hopefully we don't get arrested, and if we do, it'd be quite funny, wouldn't it? What are you saying, Whitey?
What are you saying? It's going to be insane, mate. Once we get up there, that is it, mate. Taking pictures, everything. Everything. Even probably a music video coming soon, yeah?
You getting high already? It's just 2 o'clock.
It's that late?
You know you smoke too much of that shit. That shit's gonna rob you of your ambition.
Not if your ambition is to get high and watch TV.
Ain't no time for faking jacks. Stop faking jacks. Brothers who fake jacks get laid on their back.
Holy fucking shit, guys. We have just made it to the top of the building that we were planning on doing the entire fucking day but never got around to because security was too tight. And here we fucking are. Look at this. Look at this outstanding view. If you guys check on my Instagram, pop up here, you'll be able to see all the still images that were taken for this fucking immense climb. And if you wish to purchase any, then obviously PM me and things like that. So, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, fucking smash that like button, because we have just fucking made it to the top of this building. Just look at this shit. Just fucking look at this shit. We have just fucking made it here. So smash that fucking like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe.
Guys, look, there's some jumpers. Look, come and look. Down there on the roof.
We were there, weren't we? Yeah, there's some rooftoppers over there.
Right, don't make too much of.
But yeah. As I was saying before I got too distracted, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, fucking smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. Make sure you turn on those notification bells. If you've got any locations specifically you want us to hit, whether that's a town, a city, a specific building, there's a comment section down below. Just whack a couple of comments in there. I'll try to reply to as many as I can. So I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching again. Venom out.